to another vlog. I have got work this morning. It's like 11 o'clock and I woke up really late and I've got work. No, it's like 10:30 and I've got work at 12:30. So we're getting ready to go to work. I'm just spraying my hair because it always gets like so freaking oily. The fit, I've literally been waiting like all freaking week to wear this fit, but cause I wanted to particularly wear it to work, cause like obviously like this is from Glassons and these jeans are also from Glassons, so the whole fit is basically from Glassons. So don't mind the kids. If you can hear the kids, they're like next door. Anyways, we're going to, I think this is how I'm gonna wear my hair today for work. I think I might just leave it down. It should be fine. Okay, it's 10:22, it's not too bad. I literally cracked my phone for the second time. So I don't even know how this happened. It's so bad, and the back of it's cracked as well. So in the next few vlogs, I will probably have a new phone, hopefully. Hey y'all, so I've just gone back home from work and I'm getting ready to go out now. I'm going out for I'm going to this like really nice bar with a friend. So this is the fit with my cover lolly. These are so good. I have the Fun Day lollies and they're so freaking good. But it should honestly be chill, and I'll wear it with a jacket and some heels. I'm going to just like straighten my hair a little bit, and then we'll just straighten my hair. Yeah. So I'll show you guys like what the end fit looks like. Alrighty, so this is the fit. Basically, these pants with some heels because it's like a really cute little like bar that we're going to. So I feel like this is cute. These heels, and then I've got a jacket. So I'm tossing up between these two jackets. There's just like this Glassons one. And I feel like it goes well with like the neck, because both of these are like necks. Like it can go like that. Or there's this red like lioness jacket, which I feel like might go well with this. Not gonna lie. I feel like the red could actually be really cute. I feel like that's really cute. I don't know. Oh my god, it's so hard. Okay, I definitely feel like we're gonna go with the red jacket. I generally just feel this jacket is like a bit brown, and like I'm wearing black, so this is the fit. This is the cute fit, guys, for tonight with my heels. Hey y'all, I want to quickly jump on here and show you guys a little haul of what I've gotten today from Glassons, and also what I actually handmade the past couple weeks, which I'm so excited. I actually sewed my own tops for the first time and I'm so happy with the outcome of it. But I'm going to show you guys what I bought from Glassons. So I bought these like mid-rise wide leg baggy jean, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I tried these on, I can't remember, but they're more of a darker color because I've already got these in a lighter color. I also bought these pants because I needed like some different pants. Like I literally wear jeans to work every day and I want a little swap. So I bought these like cargo pants. I was gonna get these in grey, but I was like, oh, I probably would wear the black a bit more. So with these cargo pants, how cute is that? And then with that top, I bought this like boat neck top. Sorry, with the pants, I'll wear this like cute 3/4 sleeve boat neck top. Just a plain black top to go with that. And then literally my favorite, this, I got this in extra small. I wasn't sure about the small or the extra small, but I got this like cute, this is like sort of like the Mode Mischief top, 3/4 sleeve. And then the tops that I sewed, we have got this cute, I feel like this sort of corally color is so in, but it's like one of those tops, it's like a versatile top, but it sort of like drapes off like this. You put it around, oh, it's actually the other way, and you tie it at the back. So I'm gonna put this will also be on my TikTok, so definitely go check that out. And then I also sewed this top, which is so cute. This is my favorite. And you literally just wear it like this. And yeah, like, and you tie it up at the back. So excited to wear this. But yeah, that was my little haul. Oh, what's up? I thought I'd quickly jump on here while I'm driving to work, because I honestly like have not had any time to vlog, which I'm sorry about that. I've just been so busy with work, but we're gonna head to work now. But I literally wanted to just vlog to show you guys my outfit. I didn't really have time to record my outfit this morning, which is a bit annoying. But because I woke up a bit late, and yeah, so yeah, we're gonna work, and then I am going to be vlogging some content that I need to film, and then I need to, yeah, so just like a bit of this, bit of that. So I'll keep you guys updated of what I'm gonna be doing. Hey, so I just got a new phone. This was the one that I've always wanted, and here's a bag for it. Finally got a new phone, and I can ditch my old iPhone 13. This is so good. I'm so excited to start filming so much more content and YouTube videos. These tops are so cute. Look at this.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She's seeking forgiveness. She used to dance.